Welcome back to Mr. Tech Guy with another Tech Tuesday review. This week we're going to be focusing on a small company called Nanoleaf. Now they've made a few products. They've been going since 2013 and the first couple of products were Kickstarter products, so they required your backing to get them going and get them into production. This one that I'm going to be focusing on today is the Nanoleaf Smart Light Panels. Now, as you can see on the box, they're in triangle shapes, which is quite unusual for a light panel. So they are quite unique in the styling, but the triangle shape is quite modern because you can actually put multiple together. So you can actually snap it on any side of a triangle and then just connect your one to the other side of a triangle. And you can make any shape you want. You can connect up to 30 panels to one circuit. And it's compatible with Amazon Alexa, with your Apple HomeKit, and it's also, the app that controls it is also available on iOS and Android devices. It's also compatible with If That Then This, so if you are looking at setting up your own smart home, it is quite crucial if you have got products that is capable with If That Then This, because you can get the full use out of your products if you're using that platform, because you can make them communicate with each other and make things work together instead of separately. So the Nanoleaf light panels, they're 250 by 250 millimeter height and width, so they're quite a decent sized light panel, and especially when you've started connecting some together, it'll definitely take up a good wall space on your wall, which I'll show you my setup in a second. These panels can be brought on Amazon. This is a starter kit that I've got here in the box. The starter kit is $179.99 on Amazon. Now it is a little bit pricey, it might sound a little bit pricey, but it's a very unique product. You're not gonna, if you want to design your smart home to just not run things in the background and actually have things showing on the walls, running as part of a smart house as well, I can't see a better way of making your smart home quite modern by using these as an art design, as an art deco design on your wall. It's really good, even though that price tag could put quite a few people off. So with a smarter kit, what you get is you get 9 panels, which you can put in any order you want, like I said. You also then get the starter module as well. There's also additional panels which you can buy to add on to this. Like I say, you can add 30 onto the same circuit. With the additional panels, you can buy extension packs, which are also available on Amazon. Them are £54.99 each for a pack of 3. And there's also a rhythm module, which you just snap onto the bottom of one of the panels, and that will actually make it listen to the music. It will pick up any music or motion or sound, and it will actually just flash the colours to the motion. So a bit like some of the smart bulbs that you might have in your house or you've seen on the internet. It basically just goes with the music, goes with the sound that it can hear. So that's a neat little feature that you could possibly look into. But if you're just starting out, if you're looking at buying this product, definitely get the smart. You've got to start with a smarter kit. You've got to get this starter pack first, and then just keep buying extension packs for whatever shape you want until you've got your pattern or your design that you want. There is inside the box, I haven't got any light panels in this box because obviously I've got them on the wall already, but inside the box you will get a little leaflet. Now if I can just get this out here, I will show you. Oh, it's actually going on the back of the box there. So on the back of the box you'll notice it's showing you a little design which you could possibly do. You can get the general gist of it there from a picture, about how it snaps together and everything. Now I'm going to show you my design, what I've got on my wall as well, in just a second. But it is worth just pointing out that these have won quite a lot of awards in the last year, well, last 2 years. It got launched start of 2017, so it's been around about 18 months now, this product, and it's won, like I say, it's won quite a lot of awards, so it's definitely worth checking it out and looking into it if you're just looking at something to just spruce up or make your smart home stand out a bit more in more of an Art Deco way. So I'm going to show you my setup now. We're going to have a look at that, so stay tuned.
So you can see on my wall, I've got it right at the side of my stairs, which is probably the way to put it as a centre of attraction to your house.
You can see the sort of pattern I've got. You can put them in any pattern you want. I've roughly got about 21 panels here now, but you can keep adding on to as much as you want, up to a maximum of 30 on one circuit. Here at the top of this side, you can actually see the starter module I was on about. It's in white, so if you've got a white wall, you might not be able to see that good, which hides it pretty well. But it's only a little starter module. And like I say, on each one of these, on each side of the triangle, you just insert a little card and it connects it to the next one. So it's really easy to put it together. You stick onto your wall with 3M tape, which has got an easy pull off solution, so you can just, if you don't like the position, you can just pull the tab and take them off whenever you want. So using your iOS or Android app, you can actually control these, and you control them through your Amazon speaker or your Apple HomeKit as well. And you can make them go into any patterns you want. So this one is an alternative colour pattern. But you can go on the app, you can download patterns that other people have created, and you can also make your own patterns. So if you don't like the patterns that are on the app and you don't want to download other ones, you can make other ones. So I'm just going to flick through a few different designs that I've downloaded onto my app, and what it does is it just stores them, so it just creates like plenty of scenes that you can just skip through on the actual control panel here. So I'm just going to skip through different colour variations. So that one's a fairly slow one. It's just all yellow, and then obviously just going different shades of yellow along the way. This one's very similar, it's just a green one with alternating triangles that turn into white. So, and you can get loads of different types. There's thousands of different patterns, some a lot brighter than others, some a lot faster than others, but you can create your own to your fancy. So if you wanted to design your own one, you can make each individual triangle a completely different colour if you wanted to, and you can make them move. So you can make, like you can see here, that one's just turned onto orange now, this one's turned onto white, and now it's changing all over the time. So all the time we could be changing. We can all, like I say, if you have the ribbon module as well, available on Amazon for £44, you can put that in one of the triangles, any triangle, and it will just detect the music, and then it will just change the alternative colours towards the music. So it's quite a nice Art Deco smart home product to have in your house. If you want to just make your house look like a smart home, because a lot of smart home products, they just sit on the side. They are doing very good functions, but a lot of people don't see them. So if you want something just to make your smart home look a bit more modern, really, then it's a really good product. It's very easy to use. The app is very easy to use. It's laid out brilliantly. I'm not going to bother wasting your time and showing you the app because it's super simple to use. So it's really, really good to have these lights in your house. Like I say, if you want an Art Deco scene, or you just want to bring more 21st century tech into your house from a look point of view. So these panels, really easy to use, super easy to buy. You can get them on Amazon, you can get them from a Nanoleaf shop as well, but I would say get them from Amazon, are probably a bit cheaper than going direct to the shop. And I would actually rate these a 9 out of 10, because the look, the design is really good. The different colours, there's thousands of different colour schemes that you can have, different scenes, so that's a brilliant point as well, and you can also create your own, which is fantastic. But the only downside would be the price. I can see why they've priced it so high, because it is quite expensive tech, it's unique, there's nothing else on the market like it, so I can see why they priced it that high, but in my eyes that price tag will probably put a lot of people off. So make sure, if you're put off by a price tag, make sure you just add it into your Amazon basket and then buy it when it comes onto offer. As soon as it's in your Amazon basket or your Amazon list, you'll get notified whenever it's on offer and you can go buy it. So make sure you stick around and see if this ever comes on offer if you're put off by a price at the moment. But if you're not above the price, it's definitely a buy for me. I'd definitely go out and spend my money and keep adding on to it and make the pattern you want. Every single pattern can be different, every single colour scheme can be different. You can have your own unique bit of tech with this. So thanks very much for watching. Make sure you tune in next week while we're doing a different tech gadget review. We do this every week, every Tuesday is a Tech Tuesday, so I'm going to do weekly reviews. Make sure you drop your comments below. If you've got these, drop a picture below, let me see your pattern. If you have got a question about these, you're looking into buying them, make sure you drop a comment. I'll try to answer any question that's dropped on a comment. And make sure you like and subscribe to the video, because without you, there's no point in doing it. So make sure you like the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, sorry, and make sure you like this video. And go check out the other videos as well. There's quite a few tech review videos on my channel now. So thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next Tuesday.